What your pockets like? Do you feel secure, sis? Do you feel secure, sir, in your coin? Hey y'all, it's Miss Moss the Boss of Miss Moss the Boss TV, and today I am bringing to you guys another Boss It or Toss It. But before we get into the video, if you're new, hey boo, and if you're old, you know I love your soul. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on, and make sure that you're following me on all of my social media so that you're always on the up and up with what I got going on. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today's video is slightly different. We're reviewing something I feel is important for all of us, and I said yes to doing this video because it's a resource, and at the end of the day, y'all, if anything, I want to make sure I'm providing you guys with resources. So I kind of already know that I'm bossing this product. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. I had a guy reach out to me who owns this site called Sharpen.net. Now you're probably thinking, Sharpen.net, what possibly could that be about? Because, you know, that's what possibly could it be about? Well, Sharpen.net is a finance website that basically provides education and different resourceful tools for you to manage your money. All right. I figured that during this time of quarantine, I know that people's finances are all over the place or unknown. I know for me personally, honey. And I know that we all, hopefully by this time, done got our stimulus checks. So, finance is important. And Sharpen.net is a website that allows you to do so many things to make sure that your finances are in order and together. Sharpen is a finance website that educates people on their finances, how to avoid pitfalls and different habits when it comes to your money. You can also get different worksheets and Excel sheets that are already made to help you with budgeting and planning and things like that when you're trying to basically see like where your money's coming, income wise, where it's going, it's expense wise, and all of those great things. Like, I personally have a connection to the person whose website it is, and I know for a fact that he is very passionate with helping people with their finances and making sure that they have different resources and tools to do their money management. So I know that it offers different spreadsheets, it offers different techniques and educational videos and animations. And the biggest thing that I like about the website is that it's easy to basically maneuver through and it's easy to understand. So it's a website that provides you with how to make better financial choices, but also helps you organize and actually input your own data so that you can actually use the resources that are on the website. So for example, Sharpen.net has different spreadsheets, and in those spreadsheets, you're not only just organizing like your expenses and the income and all those things of your budget, your debts and stuff of that nature. You're also already provided with formulas that can help you calculate those things. So you really don't have much work to do other than inputting your actual numbers to your finances, which is very easy and resourceful. Another thing I like about this website is that it's not too complicated. It's an educational website that allows you to basically see exactly what you're looking for. Like, it's not confusing, it's all there and it's all at your disposal. I know that the owner himself is very passionate about financial literacy and getting this information out to people and having this accessible for you guys. So I really do hope that you do take the time to check out the website, see how you can benefit from it. Don't be afraid. Again, it's easy, it's resourceful, and so overall, Sharpen.net is a good resource because it's easy to use, it is informative, and it basically allows you to create a budget without the pressures of figuring out where to start. It's all there for you. It's all on the plate. You have no excuse to not be able to get your money together and money correct. So if I had to boss it or toss it, I would boss it for those reasons. And I would also boss it because even though you might have to pay a price to get certain spreadsheets and things of that nature, it's worth it. It's done for you, and it's at an affordable price. Again, that's $10. $10 to have the spreadsheets done for you and everything. That's some small to a giant, as we used to say back in the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick boss it or toss it. Again, be sure to check the description and head over to sharpen.net to see what it can offer you. It doesn't hurt. Let me know in the comments below, have you started a budget? Have you been budgeting? Have you been managing your money during this quarantine? What's going on? What's your pockets like? Now, I don't need to know how much you made. I don't need to know how much money you have. I just mean, do you feel secure, sis? Do you feel secure, sir, in your coin? Well, if not, head on down. Head on down to sharpen.net and get it right. Get educated and do what you're supposed to do. We grown now. We grown. Pandemic should let you realize money management is key. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review of sharpen.net, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't let that stimulus check just go if you haven't already. Use the website below. Okay? Okay.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way.